Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open phone application, then tap here, go to its settings, and then block numbers. You can block all of the unknown colors, or you can just add a number manually. Enter number here, tap on the plus button. You can select number from your recents or from your contact and block it like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.